Hi, this is Milan from Soda, and I would like to show you our Metaphor data catalog integration. Let's imagine that I am a data analyst who just joined a company selling products, and my first task is to create a new report on our orders. I know that we use a data catalog in our company, so that is where I go first in order to start with preliminary data exploration. I open Metaphor here, and I can easily search for anything related to orders. Here I see a dataset called orders, which seems like a good start for my task. Metaphor shows me all the relevant metadata about this table. I can see knowledge cards here, which were created by other analysts. These are very useful. I can see that this table contains all the possible types and sources of orders. I can see the ingestion interval. This warning lets me know that I have to be cautious about quality of data in this table. I also have a very useful information on who ingests data into this table, so I know where to go if I have some questions or concerns. And finally, I can see that this table is pretty important within our company. Here in the Schema tab, I can check out the detailed schema of the table. And with this metadata, I can already get an understanding of what this table is for and whether I can use it for my task. What I do not know yet at this point is whether I can use this table reliably. For example, I do not know whether all columns contain all the required data and if data is in required formats. This is where Soda comes in. We have configured some data quality monitors on this table using Soda, and the Soda Metaphor integration allows me to get an overview on these checks. For that, I can use the Soda tab. Here, I can see that 10 out of 11 monitors have passed, and I can browse the monitors down here, see what they check, what is their status, whether they check the whole dataset or a specific column like this, and also I can see the last captured value for each monitor here. I can quickly find that one failed monitor, and I see that there are 21 rows where ship date is not after order date. This sounds intriguing, so I better look into this in more detail. For that, I can go to Soda Cloud. I go to the orders dataset, click the monitors tab, and find the failing monitor. Here I can see the monitor history, where I can see that the issue has been introduced only a couple of days ago, and I can see that it grew to the reported 21 failed rows over these couple of days. With this, I can already go to the backend team, which is responsible for the table, and give them this date and the count of the failed rows, and this is already very useful. But if I scroll down here, I can see all samples of the failed rows for this monitor. In this case, I have IDs of all of the failing rows available. This is super useful, and I'm sure that the backend team would be much more willing to help me with this issue, with all this detailed info I can provide them and help with debugging the issue. So this scenario would be a pretty typical use case for Soda and Metaphor. We are very excited about our partnership, and I hope you find this integration useful as well. Thanks for watching.